Lulu the Bear's Colorful Adventure. Lulu the little bear had always dreamed of decorating his cozy little house in a rainbow of colors. One sunny morning, he decided it was time to begin his colorful adventure. With his paintbrush in paw, he set off to find inspiration. As Lulu walked through the forest, he spotted a bright red apple hanging from a tree. Suddenly, the apple spoke, "Hello, I'm Ruby the Red. Red is the color of energy and passion. Take this apple as a gift, and your house will shine with life." Lulu thanked Ruby and placed the apple in his basket. Next, Lulu came across a friendly orange butterfly resting on a flower. "Hello there," chirped the butterfly. "I'm Amber the Orange. Orange is the color of joy and warmth. Take this marigold petal to bring happiness to your home." Lulu carefully added the petal to his collection. A little further down the path, Lulu saw a field of sunflowers. Among them stood a cheerful sunflower with a big smile. "Hi, I'm Sunny the Yellow," said the flower. "Yellow is the color of brightness and cheer. Here, take one of my petals to light up your home." Lulu gratefully accepted the gift. As Lulu ventured deeper into the forest, he came across a patch of fresh green grass. A small frog hopped out, introducing himself as Emerald the Green. "Green is the color of nature and peace," he explained. "Take this blade of grass to bring tranquility to your house." Lulu thanked Emerald with a smile. Continuing his journey, Lulu reached a sparkling blue stream. A fish swam up to him, saying, "Hello, I'm Sapphire the Blue. Blue is the color of calm and imagination. Take this drop of water to inspire your creativity." Lulu gently caught the drop in a tiny jar. Not far away, as the evening sky deepened, Lulu met Indigo the Starry Night. "Indigo is the color of mystery and dreams," the night whispered. "Take this piece of my evening sky to add wonder to your home." Lulu carefully wrapped the starry fragment in a leaf. Finally, Lulu climbed to the top of a hill and found a beautiful purple flower blooming under the twilight. "I'm Violet the Purple," said the flower. "Purple is the color of magic and imagination. Take one of my petals to make your home enchanting." Lulu added the purple petal to his collection. With his basket full of treasures, Lulu returned home. He spent the entire night painting and decorating, using the gifts from his colorful friends. By morning, his little house was a masterpiece of vibrant hues, each corner radiating a unique feeling and story. Lulu smiled, proud of his colorful adventure. He had not only decorated his house but also learned the beauty and meaning behind each color.